Good day, students. Today we're going to look at solution to number 14. It's the second long answer question, part of your book 1 chapter 1 sample quiz, and let's get right to it. It's asking us to find the slope and the y-intercept, and it gives us a line. Okay, 4x minus 2y equals 5. Well, we know that the slope and y-intercept, when it's in the form y equals mx plus b, that the coefficient, the number in front of x, is the slope, right? M is equal to the slope, and the number left over here behind it, or if you would, so b is equal to the y-intercept. So what we need to do anytime you're given an equation is solve for y. Okay, so I'm going to leave the negative 2y alone. Don't forget the negative sign. That stays with it. Okay? So I'm not moving that. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Now, subtracting 4x from both sides, you can write it like this, but lots of people just move it. Either or is fine. Okay, so I'm bringing the 4x over. In other words, I'm subtracting it from both sides, like I just said. But I'll put it in front because I like to have the x term. So I'm basically saying to the 5, move over there. No, I'm not going to change sign because he didn't go across the equal sign. Just move him over there. Make room for the x term. Now the next step, of course, is to isolate y. When you get it down to just the variable and the coefficient, make sure you divide each term by that coefficient. So I'm dividing each term by negative 2. Okay, negative 2. Now, negative 2 over negative 2 cancels, and then now I have y isolated. Now simplify the other two terms. So negative divided by negative is positive, first of all, and 4 divided by 2 is 2x. Okay? Now, plus 5 divided by negative 2. Now, that doesn't go in evenly, so you can just leave it like that. But positive divided by negative. So you have this as your solution, right? So now, if you're just asked to state it, which is all we're asked to do, we're not asked to graph it, so all we need to do is state it. So take this value here, right? Let me just change color so you can see it better. This value in front of x, when it's in form of y equals, the value in front of x is the slope. So the slope here is simply 2. Or you can call it 2 over 1, right? It's up to you. And this value here remains to be the y-intercept. So b equals negative 5 over 2. So your slope is 2 and your y-intercept is negative 5 over 2. So that's a complete solution for number 14.